Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to cancel uploading a video on TikTok. Just follow these simple steps. Firstly, launch the TikTok app on your device. Then tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to start uploading a video. If you decide you want to cancel the video before it finishes, look for a cancel button or option on the upload screen. This may appear as an X icon or a back button, depending on your device and version of the app. If prompted, confirm that you want to cancel the upload. After canceling, you can return to the main feed or record a new video. If you already started the upload and it's in progress, you might not be able to stop it immediately. In that case, you may need to wait for it to finish uploading, then delete the video from your profile if you no longer want it posted. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.